Realtors, I am here with someone today who you need to keep in your contact list. Have you ever had clients or sellers who need either a reno or need to fix something, just a floorboard or something on their home? This man is who you need to talk to. What are some of the biggest or most crucial problems you've solved for homeowners?
Well, you know, oftentimes I'll either get a call from a homeowner who knows me, or it's the realtor that maybe I've done something for in the past, and they reach out and they want me to go and look at a house and either coach the homeowner along with some ideas of what they could do differently. And, you know, so often houses are dated. If the lighting's poor or you got some old fixtures that the colors are outdated or just don't look modern, because you got to remember you're competing with a lot of new homes and townhouses and other things out there, and you got to make sure that your product's gonna really stand out.
Nice. So what do you kind of specialize in, or what do you do most often?
I think probably we do a ton of painting, kitchens. There's upgrades for kitchens, whether it's just simple handles or doing a kitchen repaint or...
So it's kind of a niche market, you know, fixing up stuff to sell the home. How'd you get here?
You know, back in I guess 2010, you know, I'd been doing a lot of renos and house flip stuff for myself and our family back then, and I got a chance to work with a builder in Abbotsford. I was the deficiencies guy because I had that eye for detail, and I was there to fix problems when people were either almost moved in or moved in. I just kind of kept working from there to the point where, what did I enjoy the most?
This is Al from Kincaid Buildworks. I'm Dave from Spotlight Media. Give Al a call, super easy to reach, unassellable, post it below. Hopefully that's helpful for you and your homeowners and sellers. Cheers.
Right on. Thanks, Dave.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.